there, welcome to another video of NIL, where we help people like you to get the language skills you need to succeed in your life. We are going to turn your attention to some idioms for describing anger. We know that things don't always go well in life, and sometimes this can lead to anger and frustration. So with that in mind, today I am sharing some expressions with you that will help you put into words some of your frustration and anger. Let's dive in the video. The first and foremost is mad at. It simply means to be angry at a person or situation. जब आप किसी person या किसी situation पे बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा होते हैं. For an example, the boss is very mad at the team because they completely forgot to attend the quarterly meeting and went to the pub instead. The another is lose it. It means to go insane or crazy. For an example, I lost it when I found out we had lost the contract to our competitors. The another one is fit of anger. It simply means to display a bad temper, often by screaming a lot. For example, when someone stole her parking space, she drove off in a fit of anger. The another is in a huff. It simply means to be upset or angry about something. किसी भी चीज़ को लेकर जब आप दुखी हो जाते हैं या गुस्सा हो जाते हैं. For an example, my boss left in a huff this morning after having an argument with the team. The another comes cry over spilt milk. It means to be upset about things that has already been done. In Hindi we say अब पछताने का क्या फ़ायदा. For example, it is okay if you didn't get the promotion. There is no use crying over spilt milk. The another idiom is bite someone's head off. It means to react angrily or rudely to someone for no reason. बिना बात के ही किसी से गुस्सा हो जाना. For example, I was just asking how the sales meeting went. There is no need to bite my head off. The another comes blow your top. It also means to lose your temper. अपना आपा खो देना या गुस्सा हो जाना. For example, I blew my top after the children broke my grandmother's clock. And then another comes to have a bone to pick with someone. It means to want to talk to someone about something annoying they have done. In Hindi we can say जब आपके पास किसी से लड़ने का कोई reason होता है, then you say bone to pick. For example, I have a bone to pick with you. I did not like what you said about me in the meeting. Last but not the least, drive someone up the wall. It means to make someone irritated or angry. किसी को भी बहुत ज़्यादा irritate कर देना या गुस्सा दिला देना. For example, he just talked about himself for the whole evening. He was driving me up the wall. Well, these were some idioms for describing anger. Remember, the key to being an effective communicator is not shouting or getting angry at someone. Yet, some of these expressions are great to help you to describe your anger. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to leave me a comment below. Till then, stay tuned.